డీఎంకే ఎంపీలు డీలిమిటేషన్ కి వ్యతిరేకంగా నినాదాలు చేశారు. దక్షిణాది రాష్ట్రాలకు అన్యాయం చేయొద్దన్నారు. జనాభా ప్రాతిపదికన సీట్ల పెంపు చేయొద్దన్నారు. ఇక దేశంలోని అన్ని రాష్ట్రాలకు సమాన ప్రాతినిధ్యం దక్కేలా చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలన్నారు. కార్యక్రమంలో ఎంపీలు కనిమొలి, టి శివ, దయానిధి మారన్ పాల్గొన్నారు.
That is to be done in 2026. If it is done on the basis of population, the southern states, including Punjab, will affect very much, and we will be deprived of our genuine representation in the parliament. For example, Tamil Nadu is having 39, we will come down to 31, and Kerala, which has got 20, will come down to 12, and other states also. Whereas the northern states, where birth control has not been implemented properly, population is very high, and so their seats will be increased. So when the parliament is made bigger with more number of members of parliament, the southern states representation will come down, and any issue we raise will not have a sound voice. So what we insist is, don't do that on the basis of population. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin, has raised the voice at the right time and has written to 7 chief ministers and other political parties in those states, and he has hold a meeting to be held on 22nd at Chennai. And after that we will come to a formula, and we will also insist the government. We have asked for a short duration discussion in the parliament, and we have to discuss it elaborately. The government has to come forward and clear our apprehension that we will not be victimized and we will not be deprived of our representation in the parliament. And today also we have done the demonstration. Every day we are trying to invoke the attention of the government, but so far there is no response. Let us see. We are waiting for the 22nd meeting, as well as in the House also. We want to have an elaborate discussion in which all the states will participate and all parties